Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn how to make a checklist in Word. So there are two methods to do that. First, you can either simply use bullets in Microsoft Word. So to do that, you select your list of items and you simply go to bullet and use this check mark for checklist. Now if you add another item, it will automatically take the check symbol. And the other way is to use the developer tab. So in order to make that enabled, go to file, more, options, and then in customize ribbon, make sure you have the developer option selected. And then you click where you want your checkbox. And then in the developer tab, simply select the checkbox. And then you can do the same for all your items. And this is how you can create a checklist in two ways in MS Word. Hope you like this video. Please do like and share the video and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.